Hello all, let's solve some important NEET questions from botany. The first question is, removal of RNA polymerase 3 from the nucleoplasm will affect the synthesis of dash. The given options are hnRNA, mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. Correct option is going to be option D, that is tRNA. Transverse RNA is going to be the correct option. The next one, Golgi complex plays a major role in dash. The given options are post-translational modifications of proteins and glycosylation of lipids, digestion of proteins and carbohydrates, and energy transferring cell organelle, trapping the light and transforming it into chemical energy. Like an option on the pathina, it is going to be option A, that is post-translational modifications of proteins. So normally when the Golgi apparatus on the pathina, it's like a courier service mari. Like ella materials may vanda they will pack and modify panni ulla cell organs transport panakudiyada the Golgi apparatus is important job. Next question, which of the following components provide sticky characters to the bacterial cell wall? Options are glycocalyx, cell wall, nuclear membrane and plasma membrane. Correct option it is going to be option A, that is glycocalyx. So glycocalyx mostly in bacteria cell wall, which means glycocalyx first will be having the cell wall. So I'll be having the remaining layers. So outer layer, mostly bacteria outer layer glycocalyx. I'll be having the cell wall. So glycocalyx it is going to be a sticky characteristic. So option A is the correct one. The next question. Yes, select the incorrect match. We have four options again: allosome, sex chromosome, submetacentric chromosomes, L-shaped chromosomes, polytene chromosomes, oocytes of amphibians, Lamb-Rush chromosomes, diplotin bivalence chromosomes. This read Tappan option it is going to be option C, that is polytene chromosomes, oocytes of amphibians. Because in the polytene chromosomes first it was discovered by Balbiani from the salivary glands of Drosophila. So it is not from the oocytes of amphibians. So option C is the mismatched or incorrect pair. The next question, to which type of barriers under innate immunity do the saliva in the mouth and the tears from the eyes belong to? So given options are physical barrier, cytokine barrier, cellular barrier, physiological barrier. So normally on the salivary gland produce saliva and tears gland produce tears, they'll be having an enzyme which is called as lysosome. So the lysosome it will be helping to prevent the microbial growth, the microbial infection, microbial growth prevent panvanga. So they all belong to the category of D, that is physiological barrier.